How to add bank account to Bitget. For that, open your Bitget exchange and here on the home page tap on the more option. Now once you are in the more services option, you need to simply search for P2P management option. Now if you are not able to find P2P management, then you need to simply tap on the sell option and then you will be landed on the P2P marketplace. Now over here, before buying and selling, you need to add your payment method. It can be your bank account or any other payment methods. So in order to add it, tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen and select the payment methods option. Over here, tap on the add option and you will be able to see the list of all of the payment methods that you can basically add in your Bitget account. Now among the given payment methods, you need to select the bank account option and provide your banking details. For example, your bank account number, your name on your bank account, IFSC code, SWIFT code, etc. After providing all of these details, you just have to simply tap on the confirm or the save option and you will be able to see your linked bank account in the payment methods section. Now you can use that bank account in order to buy and sell crypto on Bitget. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.